Welcome viewers, in this video you will see the solved problem based on the resonance circuit. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. You see the statement of the problem. For the parallel network shown in diagram, determine the value of resistance R for the resonance. We need to find the resistance value at the resonance condition. So let us consider this parallel circuit. Applied voltage is E. In the first branch, resistor and inductor is connected, 10 ohm and J10 ohm. In second branch, the resistor, variable resistor with capacitor is connected. We need to find this R value. Capacitor value is minus 2J. So the given is that it is a resonant condition. What is the resonant condition? The reactive part is 0 at the resonant condition. So based on that, first you will find the admittance, total admittance. Admittance is nothing but the reciprocal of conductance. Reciprocal of the conductance. Y equal to Y1 plus Y2. So this is the reciprocal of the impedance. So admittance is the impedance, not a conductance. The reciprocal of admittance is the impedance. So 1 divided by Z1 plus 1 divided by Z2. Z1 refers first branch, Z2 refers the second branch. So Y is total admittance is calculated in terms of impedance, because the impedance we can easily type. So the impedance in the first circuit is 10 plus J10. 10 plus J10. The second circuit is R minus 2J. Right? So Y equal to, we calculated the impedance in first branch and second branch. Now we need to solve this, the impedance value. We need to simplify this impedance value, and we have to equate the reactive part. Reactive part equal to 0, so that we will be able to find the value of R. That is the condition given. At resonance, the reactive part is 0. Now we will go for the simplification. So here the J term available in the denominator. So in order to bring in numerator, it is multiplied and divided by the complex conjugate. 10 minus J10. Here 10 plus J10. So multiplied and divided by 10 minus J10. Similarly here R minus 2J is there. So multiplied and divided by R plus 2J. Right. Now we'll simplify this. So 10 minus J10 divided by, so this is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. A is 10, B is J10. What is that? A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So 10 square minus J10 square. Similarly here R plus 2J, here A is R, B is 2J. Right? So R square minus, this one is minus, R square minus 2J square. A square minus B square, here also A square minus B square. So we'll go for further. 10 square is 100. J10 the whole square is J square into 100. Similarly here R square, 2J square is 4J square. We know that J square value is minus 1. Here also J square value is substituted minus 1. Right. Minus into minus it become plus. Right. Minus into minus it become plus. Plus 100. Minus 4 into minus 1 become plus 4. So finally what we got? 10 plus minus J10 divided by 200. 100 plus 100, 200. Divided by R plus 2J divided by R square plus 4. Now we'll split the terms. Here the two terms available, it is split at 10 divided by 200 minus J10 divided by 200. R divided by R square plus 4. 2J plus divided by R square plus 4. Now these two terms are real terms. These are all imaginary terms. Real part, reactive part. So these two terms are written separately. 10 divided by 200 is 0.05, 0.05 plus R square, R divided by R square plus 4. Here J is taken commonly. First this term is written because here plus is there, here minus is there. So 2 divided by R square plus 4 minus 10 divided by 200 is 1 by 20. So this is now the real term. This is reactive term. So based on the resonance condition given, this reactive part is 0. Now we'll go for the further simplification. So at resonance, the reactive part of Y is 0. 2 divided by R square plus 4 minus 1 by 20 equal to 0. That is the condition given in the problem. So we are equating the reactive part equal to 0. Bring this minus 1 by 20 that side. So it become plus 1 by 20. Now cross multiply this. 2 into 20 here 1 into r square plus 4. So 2 into 20 is 40 equal to r square plus 4. Bring this 4 this side. So it become minus 4. 40 minus 4 equal to r square. 40 minus 4 is 36 equal to r square. So square root take the square root on both sides. So square root of 36 is 6. R square is r. That is r value equal to 6 ohm. Right. So based on the given condition, resonance is given and resonance reactive part is 0. We equated the reactive part is 0. After simplification, we got the value of resistance. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.